Welcome, dance enthusiasts. Have you ever saw those insane shuffling videos and thought to yourself, I could never do that? Well, think again. I'm about to prove that anyone can learn to shuffle. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you my top 3 go-to shuffling moves to tear up the dance floor. Those 3 include the running man, heel toe cross, and the kick step rock step. For demonstration purposes, here are the 3 moves. Here we go. This is the running man. Simple enough, right? Here's the heel toe cross step. And finally, the kick step rock step. Here we go. These moves are my go-to moves whenever I want to shuffle. So go ahead and practice along. You're welcome to pause the video at any point if you get confused or stuck. We're gonna go and dissect each and every move as to how the mechanics work, and then we're going to progress in speed as we finally figure out how each move works. All right, right now we're gonna start with the running man. So, as you can see from these taping lines, you wanna start off in the center, okay? I'm gonna lift my left foot up, and then I'm going to drop my left foot down, and as I'm dropping my left foot down, I wanna push my right foot back. Simple enough, right? After that, I wanna go ahead and pick up my right foot and meeting in the center of my stance, okay? Here we go. Up. And basically, we wanna repeat the same motion, but we wanna drop with our right foot this time. So here we go. Simple enough, all right? And then again, we're gonna pick up our left foot and meet in the center. Here we go. Now, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can increase the tempo. Usually, when we're going through any specific dance move, we go through an 8 count. So, what I'm gonna do is say 5, 6, 7, 8, and with every count or number, I'm going to do a specific move. So here we go. Follow along, all right? Start off with your left foot up. I'm gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go through a whole 8 count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Now that was a whole 8 count. We're gonna try that one more time. Here we go. Left foot up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice how I have a little bit of a jump or a little hop as I'm doing each and every step. Now that you have an understanding of how the move's mechanics work, we're gonna see if we can increase the tempo. Now, whenever you're doing the running man in a faster tempo, there's and counts, right? So, as I am lifting my foot right now, I'm gonna say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so we'll be doing double the amount of moves as we're going through the whole 8 count. All right, let's try it. Here we go. Left foot up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. There you go. That's the running man. Again, be sure to pause the video at any point if you get stuck or confused. And remember that you want to dissect those moves and try to say the 8 counts out loud as you're doing them. All right? Here comes the heel toe cross step. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have our feet shoulder width apart, and we're going to have our feet in a position like this, okay? So I'm gonna say out, and we're gonna do that position, all right? We're gonna go out, all right? Now, you do want to have your toes a little bit pointing upwards before you get to the next move. There you go, there's my step. And so what we're gonna do next is get into a pigeon position, which is like a little triangle towards the camera in this instance. So right now we're gonna go into the triangle position, all right? Now, the next move involves being in 4th position for those who are in ballet, okay? So what we're gonna do is after we're getting into the pigeon position, we're going to go 4th, right? So now we want to reverse all of those moves. So now that I'm in fourth, I want to be in pigeon. And then now that I'm in pigeon, I want to be out, okay? That is how you dissect the heel toe cross step. Now, they're gonna go ahead and count in 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna do one whole 8 count. Each specific move or section of that move is gonna get its own count, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Remember, you're more than welcome to pause the video at any point. Now, that specific tempo involves you doing one specific section of that move and each count. Let's try one more time. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Just like the running man, we're gonna try to see if we can increase the tempo. We're gonna do that 2 times. Now, each move is gonna have its own count and an and count. So I'm going to be saying 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. There you go. That is the heel toe cross step. Let's do it one more time. All right? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's how you do it in that specific tempo. Now we're gonna do the kick step, rock step. This is my most favorite shuffling move, okay? The fun part about this move is that the actual name of the move is how you're going to do the move. Let me explain. So what we're gonna do, again, we're gonna be shoulder width apart with our feet, and what we're gonna do is take this foot and we're going to kick out, right? We're going to step to our side, and it's a little weird, this next position, but I want to be rocking back and have this front foot kicking to the side. So I'm going to rock, all right? Now, after this position, we want to meet in the middle and have our right foot up. So we're going to meet in the middle, all right? Here we go. Now, we want to reverse all of the moves we did on the other side. Again, the name of the move is kick, step, rock, step. So let's give it a try. Kick, step, we're gonna rock on this side and kick on the other side. Rock, and then we're gonna meet in the middle and step. All right? Now, let's go ahead and try to do that one more time. Here we go. I'm going to kick, step, we're going to rock, then we're going to step. Let's try that on the other side. Here we go. Oh, don't lose your balance. We're going to kick, we're going to step, we're going to rock, we're going to step. Simple enough, right? All right, we're gonna try to do it at a little bit quicker tempo. This time we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go through that whole 8 count, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? That's one tempo. Now, let me go ahead and start off by saying that 5, 6, 7, 8, but I'm going to say the specific motion or move for the kick, step, rock, step. All right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, rock, step. Beautiful. Now, we're gonna see if we can increase the tempo. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? And we're gonna do that twice. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. Now, bonus round. Let's see if we can do all of them together. All right? But this time, we're not gonna go slow. We're gonna do it at tempo. All right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the running man. Now let's do the heel toe cross. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the heel toe cross step. Now let's do the kick step, rock step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Make sure to take the time to practice. Go ahead and pause the video at any point wherever you're getting confused. All right? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.